My name is Reshma Thomas, Faculty of Department of Computer Science. Good morning. Today we are going to study a new topic, which is binary tree traversal. So we have already learned what a tree is, and we already know the concept of traversal. So tree traversal is just these two concepts combined together. Still we'll have a quick revision. What is a tree? Tree is a hierarchical data structure. Okay, so unlike the data structures which we have already studied, linked list and arrays, tree is a hierarchical data structure. What does that term means, hierarchical? It means that the elements or the nodes in a tree are not on the same level. We are arranging the participant values or the nodes in different levels. Okay, so that is a tree is, and the second peculiarity of a tree is it is uprooted. Okay, unlike the natural trees that we see around, they have trees behind at the bottom, we know that. Okay, but the trees in data structure are uprooted. Sorry, the root of a data structure tree is uprooted, that is, root is at the top, and we know the numbering of the level starts from 0, so we can say the root is at level 0. Okay, so that's all about trees, which we have already learned. And now, what is traversal? Traversal is the process of visiting all the nodes or all the elements in a data structure. We have already learned this traversal for arrays and linked list, and the concept is exactly same. Okay, so what is tree traversal? Tree traversal is we are visiting every node in a tree exactly once. That is tree traversal. The process of visiting every node in a tree exactly once. That is tree traversal. Okay, and tree traversals are performed in binary trees only. We already know what a binary tree is. So this traversal is performed on binary trees. And we have three ways of doing this traversal, three ways of performing traversal. They are in order, pre-order and post-order. Let me repeat again: in order, pre-order and post-order. And all these prefixes, in, pre and post, they represent the position of root in the traversal. Okay, they represent where the root should come. Okay, in, pre and post. We'll see each traversal in detail. So we'll begin with in order traversal. So in order traversal, the root comes in between the left and the right nodes. In between. So it's called in order. Okay. So root comes in between the left and right nodes. Okay. So the left subtree is recursively traversed in order before visiting the root node. As I said earlier, in order means first left, then root, then right. Root is in between left and right. So I guess you can see the figure here. So we have a tree here, A, B, C with 3 nodes. 3 നോഡുകളുള്ള ഒരു tree കാണാം. Okay. So for in order traversal, the order is left, root and right. First we visit the left node, then comes the root, then finally the right. Okay, so what will be the order? Ee oru tree il, if we are applying in order traversal, what will be the order? Okay, first we will visit the left node. Okay, in this case A is the root, and what comes left of root is the left subtree or left node. Okay, here it is B. Right, B is the left node, and after left comes the root, which is A, and then comes the right, which is C. Okay, so for this particular tree, the in order traversal is B, A and C, left, root and right. Second is pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal. As I said earlier, the prefix here, it is pre, that represent the position of root in the traversal. Pre means before or first. Okay, so in pre-order traversal, the root comes in the beginning. Okay, root comes in the beginning. So the order of traversal will be root, then left, then right. Okay, for in pre-order traversal, the order of traversing is root, then left, then right. Root comes first, then comes left, then comes right. Okay. So for the same example we see earlier, what will be the pre-order traversal? The pre-order traversal endaയിരിക്കും? We know the order, right? First root, then left, then right. So here the root is A, then left is B, and right is C. Okay, so the traversal is A, B, and C. Root, left, and right. Clear? And the third order is post-order traversal. Post-order traversal. Here the term post represent the position of root in the traversal. Okay, so post means after. Okay, the word meaning of post means after or at the end. Okay, so post-order means root comes at the end. Fine. So the order of traversal will be first left, then right, and finally the root. Left, right, and root. Okay, the same example. Okay, same example, we know the post-order traversal is left, right, and root. Okay, so what will be the traversal? The order will be first left, which is B, then right, which is C, and finally the root A. So the post-order traversal for this particular tree will be BCA. I hope it's clear.